Disneyland day 1. Who's ready? Who's ready? We're ready. We're ready. Nice. You're so fast.
Another one. I did.
We are in line right now. Going.
Solid start. We are in line right now.
Hey guys, we're in Disneyland right now. It's like a million degrees. We're about to enter.
Next time we come, guess what's happening? Matching shirts.
Yeah, we're also eating Reese's eggs.
Yeah.
I can't say that on camera. What? I need to get some ears on my head ASAP. ASAP. You want to get some ice cream? Let's do it. There's that little shop right up there. You see the castle, the princess castle? Okay, let's do it. Today is Layla's day.
Do what Layla says.
Layla, you want to go through the castle? Yeah? Honestly, I was a little stressed out before we were getting ready to come, and I kind of didn't want to do this.
Why?
I don't know, I was stressed and I don't know why. I'm so freaking happy. I don't feel like Disneyland's ever felt as magical as it does this time.
We barely even got in
I
here.
know, and I'm like already feeling it. I'm so excited. It's not super busy, and it's just great. It's not super busy. We've been here when it's been a lot busier.
Like, oh, it's not even that busy. There's people everywhere.
Well, there's always gonna be people everywhere, but think about like the last 2 times that we've been here. It's been way busier.
Really?
Yes. Yes. Layla. That's the best.
Layla.
Smile. Look at Daddy. Entering the castle. We're going in the castle, Layla. Bippity Boppity Boutique. Wanna look at the princess dresses? Oh my goodness. We've actually never been in here. Okay, no touching. Oh, that's so pretty. That's Cinderella. Is that beautiful? Look at Cinderella's shoes, Layla. Those are pretty, huh? Okay, let's keep looking around.
Hey guys, we're in line. That's an update.
This year we thought it would be fun to share all of our favorite things when we come to Disneyland. And my very favorite ride at Disneyland is the Peter Pan ride. It's magical, it's so fun. The line is always long, but it's such a fun ride. You're ready to fly? Off to Never Neverland?
What's your favorite ride here?
My favorite ride at Disneyland is Splash Mountain.
Splash Mountain? What's your favorite ride here?
The elevator.
That's on California Adventures. What's your favorite ride?
Splash Mountain.
Look at Braylee's Visco. Thank you. Woo! I like it.
I'm so sweaty.
Everyone in this line is. Layla's feeling better. She has some goldfish. We're in the shade. She can see the ride. Our experience Disneyland with toddlers is not always the funnest. It's fun, but it's not always the funnest all the time. It's also not the funnest with teenagers all the time.
Guess what? He's not a teenager. He's a mid-teen.
It's not always fun with dads all the time.
It's not always fun with moms all the time.
It is too, liar. Bye, boys. Bye. Here we go, Layla. Here we go. Arms up, Layla. Here we go. Woohoo. fun? Hey girl. You want to go to Minnie Mouse's house? Come on. Look at her mailbox. That is so cute. Is that her makeup?
Oh, look, Danielle, is that her bed? Oh, look, it's a picture of Minnie and Mickey.
Layla's playing the piano for everyone. This is it, guys. We're in Star Wars land. Is that what it's called? Don't tell anyone here that I've never seen Star Wars. But this is cool.
The wait time is only 35 minutes.
Let's do it. Layla is too small to go on the Star Wars ride, so we're looking at dresses. She wants to be Cinderella. Just try one on.
Sorry.
That's so cute. I'll help you. Layla went with just all of this instead of a dress. She has some cute little sunglasses in her purse. I love your purse, Layla. And also some makeup, and then she got these cute ears and some earrings. These are just little clip-ons, which makes her feel very fancy, huh? Are you tired? She hasn't stopped smiling. It's so cute. You like earrings? Yeah. Another one of our favorites is Pizza Planet. We love to eat here. I mean, we all love pizza. I don't necessarily think it is for the food, though it's good. They have really good salads. They have good pasta. And we are trying one of these. A little macaroon. A big macaroon, actually. We're splitting it up. But every single trip that we've made to Disneyland, we have eaten here. And so it definitely is a favorite. Somewhere that we eat every single time. Casey went somewhere else because he doesn't like it. But we like it. Yeah. Favorite? Yeah. I got a noodle salad. So good. Has edamame and chicken and all this good stuff. I love salads with noodles on them.
Alright, so we just had lunch at, what's it called? Like Pizza Planet? Pizza Planet, that's the best.
That's from Toy Story.
Oh really?
There's a Pizza Planet. That's very cute.
I didn't know that. And now we're gonna go on Splash Mountain, but we're gonna go on Pirates of the Caribbean because it's on the way there. And then I think we're gonna go over to California Adventures after that, are we? California, we decided, well me and Dad decided
I don't agree
that
with this.
California Adventures is better than Disneyland.
I like both of
I think it depends on your age. I think California Adventures is better for older kids. And
Hey, you guys are going the wrong way.
where are you guys going? Dad, Gage.
Are you going this way?
Yeah, we can go this way. Yeah.
Dad and his pro.
Anyways, it's better because it has funner rides and better food.
I do like the food at California Adventure better.
Their Red Bulls are so good.
But I love the rides here.
They have fun rides here. I just think they're like boring sometimes.
Indiana Jones.
Okay,
Splash
Indiana
Mountain,
Jones
Space
is
Mountain.
a good one actually. Pirates of the Caribbean.
Caribbean. What else? We've only
What's
been
that one called?
in the princess part.
Yeah, I feel like we just go to the boring places. Toontown, who wants to go to that?
The children.
Not me.
It's the problem with having a big age gap.
Yeah.
Braylee says she takes it back. Pirates of the Caribbean is her favorite ride. Yes. We're about to go on it. Excited?
Yeah.
You love this ride too?
Yeah.
Winston just wants to go on Splash Mountain.
Wait, is this actually the Fast Pass line?
We don't know. We're not really sure right now if we're in the Fast Pass line. We're really hoping we're not, because we're not supposed to be. We did?
Yeah, we did. You see all those other lines going back and forth? We just came around and straight in the building.
Shooting. Will they send us back?
What?
Will they send us back or?
Normally if I pass us, I get checked out the front.
You have gum? Scoot your butt down. Scoot over by mama. Good girl.
I'm going to Layla.
You ready?
Does this take our picture, do you know?
I don't think so. Going on the Winnie the Pooh ride. Okay, let's go. There we go. Are you excited, Winston? What?
Hi guys.
You ready?
It's me. When it's gone.
Oh my gosh, Winnie the Pooh.
Look at our shoes. Me and Layla have matching shoes.
Now we're on our way to California Adventure.
I just got some Minnie Mouse ears. Pretty happy about it. I really love them. Look at Layla. We need to lay her head back. She's zonkered out. Oh. Cool. Okay, here are the passes. Thank you. Oh my gosh, nice job. Is that fun? We're gonna go on Little Mermaid.
What is it called? Little Mermaid.
What's you?
No, you're going with Bray and Gage.
They are mean.
That would be nice.
They're playing with a little baby in front of them. The babies really love Gage.
Because it's like a marshmallow.
Here we go. I'm so excited. We're in a seashell.
Seashell under the
You see
sea.
that?
Look at, what color is it?
Pink, your favorite. Beauties. Hey. Goodness. Are you holding your breath? Good job. We can breathe underwater. You're Another favorite, turkey legs. Bite it, bite it, bite it. Hot. This Redwood Creek Challenge Trail is Winston's very favorite thing to do here at Disneyland. So we're taking the little kids and going to do it. Layla loves it too, but that's what Winston mostly talks about. And hey, over here. And the kids are going, the older kids are going on the water ride. Bad news, it's closed. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get here a little earlier.
There's bears in here?
It's a joke. It's like, you know, not really. It said that it was closed because of bear activity.
I'm out. Bye.
And Gage was like, what? What? Is anywhere in the park safe? I really want to go back over to Disneyland and just watch the fireworks. Get like a snack. Get a snack and wait for the fireworks to start.
Yeah, do you want to go on this, babe?
No, I do not.
Alright, let's go, Dad.
I'm not about to get drenched. Why are you so crazy?
Wait, I don't think it's working.
I'm so sorry, you're still too little. Dang it, do you want to watch the fireworks? Or do you want to go back to the hotel? What? Wow, Layla, good running. Look at her. Oh my gosh, where is she? Layla. You're wild. The ride that Braylee and Gage wanted to go on was also closed. What is it called? The Rapids one? The raft?
Grizzly Peak.
Grizzly Peak. So we're going to go and see how long Soarin' is. I don't know if Layla can go on it though. I don't know if Layla can go on Soarin'. Your shoe? Your shoelace? No, stand up, stand up. This way, Layla. This way. Hurry fast, hurry, hurry.
She's not tall enough.
She's not?
It's 40 inches.
Oh yeah, probably not.
Layla, Layla.
Day one is over. We're walking back to the hotel. It's only 8:30, but we have big plans for tomorrow.
But we're going to the hot tubs.
We're gonna get in the hot tub. We're gonna wake up really early tomorrow to be to the park by 6:30, so we can go on rides before the park opens. And then we're gonna go back and take a nap when we get tired. And then we're gonna go back to Disneyland and stay until it closes. We're gonna make sure to watch fireworks because they have a really cool show going on right now. And we're gonna map out what rides we want to get fast passes for. So we have a lot to do tonight.
Definitely getting cars.
Yeah. Soarin'. I mean, all of the rides that take a long time. Layla, come here. Layla, for some reason, has all the energy in the world.